Hi guys, welcome to another YUMINASHI video. In this video we take a look to the injectors from the CBR, CRF and so on, 250, 300. We do a side-by-side compare so you can know how much the difference is between the 250 and the 300 injector. And to give you a number, because we have worked a conversion set out for the B-type injectors. And the B-type injectors are basically the new generation injectors, which are stock used in the Forza SH and so on, 300, 350. And also KTM, Husqvarna, GasGas, they also changed from the A-type injector, Kehin, to this very B-type injector. And KTM and GasGas, they started in 2021, I believe, to change to the B-type injector, and they use it on the 250, 350, 400, 500 or 560 or what is it? I need to look it up, but they use it on all their four-stroke bikes basically. So yes, we worked a CNC set out for the conversion, and that's this little guy. We will show that. So how to install, how to use it, and yeah, so that you know how much the flow is from the CBR 250-300 and which one from the 20 new performance series injectors. This is a stock one, there's not a performance series injector from YUMINASHI, but which one you can pick based on the flow you see from these injectors, because you need to know what you have installed in your bike to be able to select a high flow injector. Okay, so we do a flow test with the injector from the CBR 250. That's the code. So this one we have installed, that's the blue one, which we have installed in here. And we have the 300 installed also. So that's the part number from the 300. And we do a side-by-side compare. What can I say? Yeah, we do a continuous injection test, which you can see over here. We select the runtime for 20 seconds, so we need to multiply that with 3 to have the result, and you can't see it now, but we set the pressure at 3.2 bar, because that's usually the stock pressure from your CBR or CRF or CB, whatever. 250, 300, doesn't make a difference, so it's running 3.2 bar. So we will do a side-by-side test to see where we are, and let's start it up. Okay, there we go. Settling down. And well, basically not much difference between the 250 and the 300. Keep in mind, guys, the 300 was released, the injector with the longer nozzle for Euro 5, and the other one was Euro 4 and even before. So but the flow seems to be pretty much the same, not much different. What do we have here? 84, and this is slightly more than 84, but not much. So we need to multiply that by 3, and then you have the flow in 1 minute, of course. Okay, right back to our video for the other aspects. I mean, if you have the stock injector installed and you want to change to E85, then you need to calculate 30-35% more flow compared to stock to balance things out, to have the same air-fuel ratio, basically. And yeah, it's easy. What we have here is the YUMINASHI 42mm throttle body. And if you install that one, then, well, we recommend to install a larger injector as well. What Honda did, this is the CRF, CBR, etc. 250 injector, this one, and that's this part number, that's this one. And you see this one have a very short nozzle. And what many people don't know is that with the 300, and there's this one, look at that, they used a very long nozzle on that one, compared to, the body is basically about the same, the body from this one. But wow, look at that, the nozzle is totally different. And let's take a look what the difference is. If we install it, we put the 250 injector in it, then it comes out like that. You see it sits a little bit down in the bore from the throttle, from the throttle body. And if we install that one, but keep in mind guys, this one was developed for the Euro 5 bikes, CBR 300, CRF 300 or Euro 5 bikes. So it comes, usually guys, it had to have a washer below. We didn't take it out now because we don't have it in stock, I believe, at the moment, that washer. But just to illustrate you that the nozzle comes much further out, as you can see, right? So that's basically the difference. But you can use both on the throttle body from the CBR which we have, and the conversion set we have worked out is very simple. So we have machined this part here by CNC. It's aluminum, it's very lightweight, CNC machined, and you just install that over here. So that's where it goes. So you just press it in. So you need to wiggle it a little bit to have in the center, and you actually can press it down, and then it looks like that, guys. I mean, maybe it needs to go a little bit deeper, but that's also if I can push it with my thumb. And yeah, you take the B-type injector. So keep in mind, we work 20 different flows out, guys. So one of the flows will be there that you need. If you need another flow, you can always send us a message, and we can take a look at it to produce the flow you need. So this one goes in here, right? Now, this one over here, it's also aluminum, CNC part, very nice part. And this one goes on top of this one. So you press it down all the way, as you can see. And it comes also with, it looks like a small O-ring, but that's the O-ring you need to make a perfect fit with the stock injector joint. So the injector joint is also larger, of course, inside, compared to the B-type injector. So it makes a perfect fit with this O-ring installed. And this, well, let's push that O-ring over. Yep, it jumps right over. Right, so that makes a tight fit. And then you have your B-type injector. It's your stock. This is from the 250. The difference with the 300 is that the, how can I say it? The fuel hose is not connected over here, but it will be straight up connected like that. That's the difference. And if you want to have it like that, then you can order it also. If you have a 250 or you do an engine swap on an MSX, on a Grom or whatnot. So you push it over. And that's it, guys. You put your bolt in it, tighten it. So yeah, push it over. So it makes a good fit. Well, okay, need to use the other bolt. I don't have it right now, but you get the idea, right? So that's how it looks like. But now we have another problem, because This injector is a Denso injector. And as you see, well, the connector from the Denso is not the same as the Keihin B-type injector. So this wire loom we have worked out comes also in the set, in the kit. So the converted set, and this shape is basically the same as this shape. See? This is the same. So that means that this side you can plug into your stock wire harness from your bike, and this one goes to your B-type injector, and you connect it, you're good, yeah, you're good to go. And your hose is not different as stock because, well, it's the same injector joint you're using. So this is a few words about the conversion set we have worked out. Yeah, I think that will be really, really great to have as engine tuner, to install it in a CRF 250-300, CBR 250-300, and all the other bikes who run this type of injector, because they install this throttle body and this injector and these engines, the 250-300 engines, in a lot of bikes. The CMX also, I believe, right? 250-300. So all these bikes can run this conversion set and select one of the 20 B-type injectors we have worked out. We are producing them at the moment. The R&D phase, that's over, that's done. And yeah, you can work your tune out with these installed. So bye-bye to Denso and hello to Keihin. And that's for this video, guys. I hope this is useful information, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you on the next one.
And take a look to the YUMINASHI website. We are ready to deliver all parts you need worldwide to your doorstep.